Hey guys, James in Vegas here. I am doing a quick video here of what I'm going to call one man's trash is another man's treasure. Plus I ordered a couple of decorative items that I'm going to show you here, which I've never actually purchased anything like this before in my life, which is a little strange to say, but you'll understand when I show you. But the other day I went to go throw some garbage away, and we have this little garbage chute for the floor that I'm on that goes down and drops it into the dumpster. And I found this amazing floor lamp. I mean, it fits the mid-century modern theme that I'm going for. It's a brass floor lamp. The only thing that it needed, someone cut the plug on the wire, and then they had the switch that's on the actual lamp itself wasn't working properly. So it just needed a rewire job, and then it just needed a new socket basically for the bulb. Beautiful brass floor lamp, nice size, perfect for this apartment. So let me go ahead and show you real quick. So as you can see, Stella wants to be in the shot today, for now anyway. She'll probably cower out and run. So I got some pillows, and I've never really purchased pillows in all my life, which is kind of interesting. Apparently I never did the pillow purchasing myself, but I've got some orange pillows and I got some teal pillows that match the whole decorative theme that I'm going for, which is the mid-century modern aspect. And if you saw in a previous video, you'll see that I've got some storage bins that are also orange and teal, so it goes with the whole theme. And then of course there's the lamp, which I'm super excited about. I mean, this lamp, there's absolutely nothing wrong with it. And now, after I did the rewire job and changed out the socket where the bulb goes. But let me go ahead and zoom in a little bit on this guy. So yeah, it holds an LED bulb. I went ahead and replaced the socket that goes in here with the bulb screws into. Replaced out this, well, it's kind of hard to see with the lamp, with the window open, but let's see if I can close that up. No, it's still hard to see. But I replaced the cord that's on here. So it's like a cloth covered protected cord, decorative I guess more than anything else, but it matches the whole theme. And then it's adjustable here and it's adjustable here. And again, it's a nice, I guess it's like a brushed brass, I would guess. Probably around $100, $150 if I were to go buy it at the store new. But I like to think that it kind of fits my whole scheme of the mid-century modern that I'm going for. So let me know in the comments what you think. Do you like the pillows? Do you have any other color suggestions? Do you like the lamp? What other decorative suggestions can you give me for this little micro studio here? Make sure you like and subscribe, guys, and let me know in the comments what you think. Appreciate it.